जालंधरची खेळां सामान तयार करपी कंपनी वेक्टर एक्साच्या फुटबॉलांक फिफाचे मानांकन मेळ्ळां। ह्या हाय स्टँडर्ड फुटबॉलांचे बायचुंग भुतयान पणजेत लॉन्चिंग केलें। पालकांनी भुरग्यांक हे बॉल घेवन प्रोत्साहीत करचें म्हूण बायचुंगाचो सल्लो। फॉरेन बॉल म्हारग आसतात म्हूण खंय वेक्टर एक्स परवडपासारके टिकाऊ फुटबॉल आनी बाकीचे खेळां सामान करता।
नव्या टॅक्नॉलॉजीन वेक्टर एक्स फुटबॉलाचे निर्माण जाला। हे पद्मश्री आणि अर्जुन अवॉर्ड जैतिवंत बायचुंग भुतियान प्रुडंटाक सांगले।
This is a very high quality, good quality ball. This is made in India, which got no stitch at all. It can be played on all the conditions, especially in Indian conditions where there is so much of rainfall and the ground conditions are bad. So this is the ball which Vector X has launched. Very happy to launch the ball during the World Cup.
भुरग्यांक बरे तरेचे फुटबॉल आता भारतीय कंपन्यांकडल्यानूच परवडपी दरात मेळटले म्हूण सांगून भुतियान खोस उक्तायली।
So I think the technology is really catching up, and it's good to see Vector X coming up and matching it up. And the good thing about Stealth product is it's a very, very good quality, but the price as well is a good price. I think it's around 1,900. Yes. That's what I've been told. Yeah. And I think the one football that's been played right now in World Cup is I think around 16 or 18,000 something price. We also want to make sure that they, the parents are also not overburdened by the kind of expense they need to buy for the kids. So I think with good quality, good design, good brand, we also been able to get Vector X with BBFS, and so far I think the parents and the kids have been very, very happy.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार।
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।